Southern California again facing extremely critical fire conditions. This is caused by a new period of Santa Ana winds today across parts of Los Angeles and Ventura counties. So far, wildfires have destroyed or damaged more than 12,000 structures. Let's get to Ellison Barber with the latest from Pasadena this morning. Ellison.
Hey, good morning, David. You know, when you look at these containment levels, progress has been made. The Eaton fire, which is closest to where we are, that is now at about 35% containment. That being said, the fire has burned over 14,000 acres. When it comes to the Palisades fire, that is now at 19% contained, but it has burned over 23,000 acres. The Hearst fire, that has burned close to 800 acres now, 97% contained. You see the extreme winds and the fire that brought all of this destruction and damage to these communities. We were lucky overnight. The winds were not nearly as bad as forecasted, but as you mentioned, we're not out of the woods yet. Those high wind warnings and potential high fire risk, that is still in effect through today. The LA fire, they had said they had pre-positioned fire engines and patrols throughout the LA region in anticipation of those winds and the possibility of new fires erupting. A lot of people breathing a sigh of relief this morning that there was not a lot of new fires that started overnight. There were a couple, but they were quickly largely contained or seemingly put out. Nothing like what we saw with the Palisades and Eaton fire. Eaton fires, this community, though, still processing what has happened here. Many people still desperate, trying to get back to their homes just to assess the damage, some of them to see if their homes are still standing. Recovery.lacounty.gov is a place where people are able to go and look in these communities for preliminary damage assessments and just to see on the maps whether or not their homes are still standing. But for a lot of people, they have said that's not enough. They want to be able to go back to these homes to see them. But firefighters, they have said, look, it's simply unsafe. We have so many down power lines. We have trees that have been burned that can collapse and fall on people. On top of that, in many of these homes, particularly near the area where we are in the Eaton fire, a lot of these homes and buildings had basements. And when they burned and collapsed, the levels of the building pancaked on top of each other. And when they are concrete buildings or bricks, that is where heat gets trapped underneath them and hot spots happen and flames can reignite. So what fire officials and the police have been telling people, they say, look, we were doing escorts trying to take people back into some of these communities earlier. We've had to halt those entirely because it is still simply too unsafe to allow people back into these communities.